Good morning and happy Easter, early Easter. It's that special time of the month where I get to send out a monthly video giving you an update on the current market. So I'm still getting lots of questions from buyers and sellers about what's going on. So I'll show you here on the right-hand side of your screen, the numbers for March. So the number of single family sales that we saw was 16. So that is significantly lower than the past 3 years, which were 34, 39, and 35 respectively. Number of condo sales was 6, which is the same as last month, but down relative to the last 2 years. The average sale price for a single family home in 2023 has been 446, which is down by about 8% from 2022, which was 484. The average sale price of condos is still up. It's 364 from the mark of 335 in 2022. However, there is still small sample size there with more higher end condos sold than lower. I kind of dove into that at the last market update video, and I will dive deeper into the condo market as we get further into the spring and we have some more data for it. Median days on the market. So single family homes, this is interesting. It was 11 days in the month of March. So in February, we were all the way up to 30 days. So it definitely feels like a lot more buyers have come out now for the spring market, which is helping out the sellers for sure. On the median days for the condo market, we're at 17 days, which is way down from 77, which we saw in February. So again, same trend. Buyers are starting to come out now. So the spring market is really picking up. One more thing I wanted to talk about. On the ground, it's been feeling like the low to mid price range in Brockville has been moving much quicker than the higher end has been moving. So I wanted to test that theory. I did a search for houses that were over 550 and houses that were under 550. And let me just pull up what I found there. Okay, so median days on the market. For the under 550K, we're seeing houses sell in 10 days and 3 times longer for the higher end homes at 550 and above. So 32 days there. Months of inventory, for anyone that doesn't know what that is, basically if no new listings came on the market, how long would it take for us to run out of houses to sell? So below 550, we'd be out of houses in 1.1 months. Above 550, we'd actually have 5+ months of inventory. So that's some good data for you, but what does that mean? So for buyers, you still don't have to worry about bidding wars for the most part. In March, we only saw 6 of the 22 total sales sell over asking price. So if you really hate bidding wars, we can focus on the 3 out of 4 houses that aren't going to bidding wars. If you're looking at the higher price range, you probably actually have a little bit more negotiating power than you may think. And if you're in the lower end, you probably have less than you think. So it's just kind of something to factor in depending on what you're looking for. And with sellers, if you're in that mid to low price range, market is still very strong, low levels of inventory, lots of buyers. We're still seeing lots of pent-up demand. Now, if you're in the higher price range, we're feeling a lot more like a pre-COVID market that was a lot more balanced. So first, we need to make sure that we're priced competitively relative to our competition. Second, we need to be patient. So the days of expecting a sale in the first week are over. A month was basically the new normal in March. And the other thing I get asked a lot about is interest rates. So for what I've been hearing and reading, we don't expect the Bank of Canada to make any changes to the overnight rate, which should keep interest rates relatively stable. I've seen a small dip there in the last week or so, but they should be relatively stable. I will keep you up to date on this as things change in the next few months. We'll keep our eyes open. If you have any questions about what's going on in the real estate market, feel free to call or text me. And as always, if you know anyone thinking of moving in the next few months, let me know. P.S. I almost forgot. Some of you may be aware I'm going to be hosting a client appreciation cocktail at the Barley Mow on April 22nd at 7 p.m. You are invited, and hopefully you can make it. Look forward to celebrating the start of the spring with you. That's all for me today. Enjoy that Easter Bunny chocolate this weekend. Take care.